Hey everyone, it's Christina, and today is day 1 of 12 days of Chalkmas. So in this project, I'm using our board and base and the Noel transfer. With these surfaces, you do not have to wax them, but you do need to fuzz your transfer, smooth it out, make sure there's no air bubbles. I'm going to use bright white chalk paste, and I ended up thinning it way too much, and I put way too much chalk paste on there. You do not need that much. You only need a little bit, and you only want a yogurt-like consistency, not water consistency. So I'm smoothing out, making sure I feel every spot, and then I'm going to remove the excess, making sure that there are no lines. So with my 12 days of Chalkmas, I am doing a giveaway, and but you must be in my VIP group. I'll post all the details down in the description. So now I'm going to peel it up and reveal, and I did have a little spot down there that bled, so there was probably more than likely an air bubble there, but I just take a damp Q-tip and clean it up. So now I'm going to wash the transfer and make sure I dry it good, and I'm going to dry my, use my heat tool and dry the, what I just did. I'm going to let it come back to room temperature, and then my clean dry transfer that I used a paper towel to dry it with, I'm going to line it back up, and I'm only going to press down where the holly berries are and the leaves. Do not press down where the words are, because you will risk the chance of maybe pulling it up. So now I'm going to take Candy Apple Red and my multi-purpose tool and fill in the berries. I love the multi-purpose tool because it's great for little projects like this. And I'm going to take a squeegee that I cut in half and use Green Envy to fill in the leaves, smoothing it all out and removing any excess. And then I'm going to peel it up and dry it again with my heat tool. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you have not. If you would like to join my VIP group and join in the giveaway, please comment me down below and I will get you the link and get you added. And yeah, I will talk to you in the next video for day 2 of 12 days of Chalkmas.